here is what I want you to think about. What do you do in your business all the time? What tasks do you spend like repeatedly having to research for, get information about, or tell people to do? You could probably create a whole plethora of specialized custom GPTs in your business that uniquely help you streamline and be more efficient in everyday tasks in your business. Wow. Now, if you're not sure, you can actually ask ChatGPT what GPTs you might need in your business. You can actually go to ChatGPT, and I could go into my bot here, and I'm actually going to show you an example of what I mean here. Let's go into my one of me, and I'm going to say this. Based on everything you know about me, what kind of custom GPTs do you think I could create to help me be more efficient, more productive in my business? A course creation GPT, a business and marketing GPT, monetization and passive income. It's even going to tell you what it's going to do. I can create one on specifically repurposing my own content. Look at all these different things. It's even suggesting my business Tekmatix. How incredible is that? Now let's pretend I think, a course creation GPT would be good. Okay, so I might go up to here and say, create the exact instructions that I would need to put in a custom GPT for a course creation GPT. It's going to give you the very instructions that you need to put in the back end, which I'm going to show you how to do right now. It's going to give you the instructions, the GPT name, the GPT description, the persona it needs to have, what capabilities and features it needs to have, what it needs to do, what it needs to ask people, and so much more. Seriously, we don't even need brains anymore. What did we do before AI? I don't know. This stuff used to take me months and months. Insane in the membrane. This just keeps getting better and better.